This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy Vusi Max. Welcome back to Vusi Max in the building. You already know what it is, man. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. If you don't want to miss out on any future drops, click the bell notification icon also so you get notified every time I make a new drop in the building. You feel me? So, yeah, man, welcome back to the channel. I think it's time to bring back currencies. We're back on currencies. We're not living Next 100, not by anything, not by a long shot, you understand? We just are deciding to bring currencies back because most y'all, well, not most y'all, but there's a very few percentage. I don't want to say a small percentage, but there are some people who are scared of trying to learn forex with indices. So I feel like just to satisfy everyone, let's bring back currencies now. So in today's video, we're gonna be analyzing gold because that's what we traded, gold, right? So for those of y'all who got the analysis, who've been in the public telegram for before last week, then that means you saw the analysis we dropped on Friday about gold, right? So the analysis also played out today in the direction that we said it would. So I just want us to dive deeper into that and break down the psychology behind that, as well as the analysis of how it's looking and stuff like that. You feel me? Let's go. Alright, fam. So first things first, the first thing that we're gonna look at is the analysis that we did on the Supreme Traders public telegram, which is what you're looking at right now. You feel me? So this was the analysis. You dig? This was the analysis that we sent. This was done, I think, about Friday, and it did say gold. For the analysis, click the link below. You understand? So the video that we dropped was this one. If you watched it, this video was dropped on. You can go. You'll see it. Go join if you haven't joined. Go join our public telegram. You're gonna find the. Just scroll a little bit higher, Nyana. Okay, actually, after this video, I'm gonna put this link for the initial video. I'm gonna drop it again, and the before analysis of how this thing was looking, right? So this was what we're basically showing you that, listen, ascending pattern, you can see ascending pattern there, meaning it was an uptrend, but it broke the structure, so we're waiting for a retest to enter. But basically, if you got this and you're part of and you're subscribed here, you would basically know what to do, because this is straightforward. TP would be down here and your SL will be just here to retest, because you can't widen your SL like that. Alright, so I want us to go to the analysis so I can show you how this breakdown was thinking. How this breakdown was, we arrived to the breakdown of this thing now. I think I'm gonna have to edit first though. Also, let me know what you guys want to see in the future. For me, let me know what you want to see, because basically what I'm doing right now with this thing is I'm trying my best to give you the advice that I wish I had when I was in the pits, in the ghettos. You feel me? This is what I wish I had got, this type of advice. So we're gonna do a top-down analysis one time, so I can show you actually what's going on with this thing. But I think let's first analyze the move that we had. Okay, I'm gonna remove my period separators. Those who watch the other videos know why I have this period separators. You understand? It's because I wanna be able to know when the sessions, the different kind of sessions, when the day starts or when the day ends, so I can tell NY session, London session, and Tokyo session. Those are the three major sessions for me that I need to look at. You feel me? And looking at where the price is at, can you see? Do you see something? Do you see something? This is our support now. You understand? So that's why our TP was actually there. You feel? But now we need to analyze first, because now it's basically just like I'm talking alone or whatever. Let me show y'all what we was looking at. right? So guys, we did a very short-term analysis. We analyzed from there, and we got this trend line that you can see there. You understand? This is the trend line that we had, and then let's see, man. Let's analyze this thing. Let's see if we can join somewhere else. This thing, you see. So we had these two lines like this. Basically, as the flu is doing the most. Basically, what had happened, you can use a parallel channel. You understand? A parallel channel is going to be like two lines. Let me just remove this and show you. It's an ascending channel. So we looked at the low, right? Yeah. And then we're gonna just raise it there. And then you see now. So that's the vibes. That's the vibes right there. You feel me? So the thing is, how did we manage to get this line? We had to look at the low. You see when you're looking at it like this, because now the thing was, this thing is moving sideways. You understand? So there has to be a buy zone and a selling zone, right? So what we can do is we can look at this thing from this type of angle. You understand? And then, but now when it came to the highs, you see the highs were a little bit tricky, because now it kind of did the head and shoulders type of thing here, where it's left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. But then the highs just seem to be getting higher and lower, and at the same time though, the lows were all hitting the same place. You understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just move myself here so I can show you guys where this thing is hitting. So I get it here, and then it's also here, and it's also here. So our SL would put it where? We'll put it away here now. So now we need to focus on this thing now, how to actually manage to get a trade. I'm gonna open the 60 minutes, not 60 minutes, 60, yeah, it's 1 hour, 60 minutes, man. So you see the structure. So the structure was, there was a trend here that you needed to be able to spot this, and unfortunately a lot of people don't know how to use a parallel channel where you have two trend lines. So this way, because you would only need to see this area, right? Because okay, let me do it like this. Okay, so you see now, you would only need to have this low and then this higher low there, and then join your trend line. And you know the general rule of thumb is align it to current price. So since the price is there, you just need to move it there, right? So now, where to sell now? That means somewhere here, this trend line will, this thing, there has to be somewhere where the price is gonna start dropping, and in this case it's here. So you have to see now with this regression line, you need to move it higher so it connects with this high, so it gives it the next high. You understand? I feel like even this one is a little bit more advanced, but you see now if we're here, because my focus is the fact that this line here must make contact here, so it gives us the next high. You understand? So here you would know we're selling, because now this thing is gonna operate with trend lines. It's gonna follow this trend line. Here it made contact 1, 2, twice. Also here it needs to make contact twice before it starts to break the structure. Okay, usually breaks the structure on the 3rd time or the 4th time, but the more it touches, the more there are chances of it breaking structure. So once it hasn't touched the structure, it only touched it once, then you know it's gonna go there and touch that place again. So it went to touch there. So this would be your sell, right? But the signal that we sent on the signal that we sent on the platform. Let me just show y'all. We shared it down here because obviously come on, we can't give you everything. Some of the things go to the VIP members, you understand? But when it came here, it made a double bottom kind of thing. It made a structure, a support structure. So we know it's either gonna go up to retest and then drop again, but the overall structure that we have here has been violated. So what must happen now? A drop, right? Let's go back to the chart. So we know, you see what I'm saying? It was just basically going to retest. So it formed a lower high there. Let's go to the H1. So you can see. So you see now, so the structure broke there, went to make a low, came back, went to make a low again, came back, but it made a lower high. So we know. And this was a retest, actually. Came to retest this zone there. So we knew you're supposed to sell. And even if the price goes back up again, it's just doing that to psychologically psych a lot of traders into buying, when in reality we just broke the structure. So the only level that's familiar for this market is down here. So that's all I got for you in terms of the gold analysis. I think I'll send another setup in terms of gold. I'm just waiting now to see the next H4 candlestick to see how it's gonna close, because it's looking like it's gonna close in a bullish thing, in a bullish pin. So we'll see what we can do. But I'm gonna send the thingy. Actually, my boy is analyzing also. My boy, we about to drop another analysis. The link will be sent to the public Telegram. Understand? And as far as gold goes, we've already milked it today, but we're waiting to see, because we're at a crucial level. We want to see if it's gonna react the same way now or not. So I'm just waiting for a couple of candlesticks. I'll send the setup to the public Telegram also. So it's your boy Vusimax in the building. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and light.